Welcome to the Lower Secondary Science Brunei syllabus. Topic 5, video on cell structure and organization. Subtopic 5.1, basic microscopy and scientific drawing skills. Part 1. The learning objective for basic microscopy to describe the function of the microscope parts, preparing specimen on microscope slide, and lastly, draw diagram of cells observed under the microscope. Let's look at the first learning objective. We need to know first what is a microscope, the parts of the microscope. Only then we can describe the function of microscope parts. Microscope is an apparatus or a tool that make very small things look larger. Microscope ialah alat yang digunakan untuk melihat benda yang sangat kecil yang tidak dapat dilihat dengan mata kasar kita ni, seperti habuk. Menggunakan mikroskop kita akan nampak habuk dengan jelas. Parts of microscope. This is the eyepiece. Under the eyepiece, that is the tube, and under the tube you will see objective lenses. And you can see next to the objective lenses is the small knob, and the black surface is the stage. Above the small knob is a large knob. On the stage, you can see metal clips, and under the stage, you can see a mirror. Those are the parts of microscope. The mirror. The mirror of the microscope reflects light into the microscope. Stage. This is where the microscope slide is placed. What is microscope slide? This is an example of a microscope slide. Microscope slide ni biasanya di atasnya ada spesimen, ada benda, iaitu benda yang kamu kan lihat di bawah mikroskop. Ia terlampau damit, kamu dah dapat lihat. So you will use microscope, kamu taruh atas stage-nya and you will see it. The large knob. This large knob move the stage for a clearer image. Jadinya, tombol ni boleh dipusing-pusing untuk kamu membuatkan stage itu naik ke atas ataupun turun ke bawah. Small knob. Small knob is used to adjust the focus for a sharper image. Kadang-kadang, image yang kamu lihat itu kabur ataupun yang kita blur. So, kalau dipusing the small knob, kamu boleh membuatkan image itu nampak lagi jelas. In English, sharper image. Eyepiece. It contains the lenses that increases the magnification of the objective lenses. Objective lenses. Objective lenses is used to increase or decrease the magnification for viewing. As you see in the short clip there, objective lens boleh dipusing-pusing untuk kamu memilih mana satu kan dipakai. Tube. Tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lenses. Jadi tube ini yang menyambungkan eyepiece kepada objective lenses. Clips. Di sana, biasanya di atas stage, you will see metal clips. Metal clip will hold the microscope slide in place. Jadinya, semasa kita menaruh the microscope slide, supaya microscope slide itu indah bergerak-gerak, kita kapit sama clip. With that, we have already done on the description for the function of the microscope part. I will see you in the next video, part 2. Bye-bye.